Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check it out at mikesmilitaria.com. I have a sample sticker from previous delivery. Again, Mike's Militaria. So let's go ahead and open this up, get you out of the way. Thank you. And it's a pretty big box. Even though we have only a couple items in here. And trying to find a tool to open this with. And let's see how we can do this. Oh. Okay. Use the back of the knife here. Oh, that was easy. Oh, looks like we got some packing peanuts. Might have a little bit of a mess here. Two items. Let's go ahead and packing peanuts everywhere, but that's alright. That's all of them. Came out pretty easy. I don't think we dropped too many of them. There's a few more. Alright, let's get this off to the side real quick. Okay, first item, a lot of room here, is just check my notes one more time, U.S. large A.L.I.C.E pack with frame, straps, and pad. I guess the kidney pad, and it's used. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so this would be the rear of the bag. You can see we got two straps, main straps, holding the lid flap shut. We got a frame here, some use, steel. Let's check the magnet. May not be steel. May actually be an aluminum alloy. Alright, it's fine. Looks like we got relatively new shoulder straps and pads, just from the fact that they're very new looking. Kidney pad appears to be new as well, which is fine. Pack itself does show some use on it, so even though it's in really good condition. Alright, so is there an easy way to actually get this open? More peanuts. There's going to be a lot of pockets, everything else. Lots of mounting points for more gear. Let's look at the lower portion. We got the two large pockets held closed with straps. They have drawstrings, as you can see. Likewise, there should be one on the opposite side. It's got drawstrings. The flap itself is rubberized, waterproofing. The behind the flap we have smaller pouch areas, 3 of them. At the top, at the bottom we have another medium-sized pouch. So in the center, as opposed to the 2 side ones that are closer to the hip area. We also have this closure strap here. We have drainage grommets at the bottom. A couple more attachment points for butt pack. Let's see, attachment under the frame, nice and sturdy. A little bit of wear at the top, no big deal. Can always use a little fabric glue to strengthen that up. Frame does have a few contours in it. I'm not sure from stress or that's natural. And let's see, what's the best way to get this open so I can just take a look-see. It's this way. Enormously long straps. Okay, there we go. And you can access the internals. Here's our main drawstring with retention. And let's see if we can get a date off of this. US patent number, Fastex, the plan, Illinois, 194. Those numbers actually translate to in series. Inside, come on, let's see if we can get this. There we go. Okay, so that loosens our main drawstring. And inside we also have the top large pocket too as well. And then into the bottom, nice and clean. Very nice. Again, US large A.L.I.C.E pack frame, shoulder straps, and kidney pad. And let's get to our second item. Get all the peanuts out of here. There's a couple stragglers that don't want to come out. Come on. Let's see here, check my cheat notes. This is a Bulgarian M1936/51 steel helmet model C, 58 centimeters. As you can see there on the lining, 5'8". Some looks like initial markings. Leather liner with chin strap. Some patina and wear. Looks like there was formerly a sticker there, and as you can see it does have a nicely contoured brim. Feel free to research your own history, notes on the Bulgarian 3651 style helmet, but very cool. I like that shape, and a large brim makes it stand out as opposed to the more recent shorter brim 51 models. See the large rivet points for attaching the liner locators. Looks like a little bit of a prow right there. Very cool. Very distinctive. And again, a distinctive shape of the Bulgarian 1936/51 steel helmet. And again, this is model C that was listed. So, and then working our way backwards, again, US large A.L.I.C.E pack with frame, shoulder pads, and kidney pad. And these all came. I didn't find a sticker in there, but there are a lot of peanuts. There might still be one in there. From mikesmilitaria. So feel free to check out mikesmilitaria.com. Lots of items there. Get them while they're in stock. And then feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, milsurp, tool type, and expanded topic items. We also do a selection of book review media reviews, and also curios for the curious, videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.